But like I said before, it's Prof or no one else.
You cannot ascend the throne without a bride.
How can you go out of your way to try to hook me up with all these women trying to find me a wife, Mom? At my level?
I must state the obvious. Your son, Professor Fabio, I know is either gay or impotent.
Am I not a woman?
Oh, of course you're a woman. It's not in my nature to take advantage of women.
Honestly, Mother, I can't keep doing this.
When it comes to women, I'm a very responsible man.
I did not bring you up to be shamelessly immoral. Fabio.
Why are you doing this thing to yourself? For a man who doesn't even know you exist. Someone who doesn't even know about the emotional trauma you go through every day.
So you think I do not know you are having an affair with one woman?
I am not dating on here. What is it? We are not in any kind of relationship.
Listen, Izubi, I love you. As a brother.
You know, she's so sweet that sometimes I begin to ask myself why a man would have something so sweet and then die and leave it behind. I don't intend to leave this one behind.
You're just pathetic.
I know.